Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin with clean, slightly damp skin because water helps thin the toner for better absorption. Once cleansed, shake the Plum toner. Ingredients can settle. Make sure to patch test 24 hours on your inner wrist. This prevents surprises. Then pour 3-4 drops into your palm or wet a 1/2 cotton pad. Using your hands keeps more product on skin and less waste. Apply immediately after cleansing so the toner can prime the skin for the serum to follow. Once the toner is on, press it into the skin with your fingertips for about 10-15 seconds to aid absorption and preserve barrier integrity. Do not rub harshly. Next, dispense 1-2 drops of Plum serum, 1 drop for thin areas like under eyes. Warm it between your palms and pat into the face starting from center outward. Make sure to layer from thinnest to thickest product. Toner, then serum, then moisturizer, and allow roughly 30-60 seconds so each product settles. You finish by sealing the routine with a moisturizer, and during the day, an SPF to protect the skin after active plum extracts. Make sure to store both toner and serum in a cool, dark place and use them before expiration to keep potency intact. If you experience burning or redness, stop immediately, rinse with lukewarm water, and give skin 24-48 hours to recover. Then patch test a lower frequency or consult a professional if symptoms persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.